The house embodies a modern nature house design with courtyard features. Its architectural concept integrates seamlessly with nature, emphasizing open spaces and connections to the outdoors. Central to the design are the 4 miniature courtyards strategically placed within the property. These courtyards serve as focal points, providing glimpses of nature from various vantage points within the house. They also promote natural ventilation and create a sense of tranquility, making them ideal spots for relaxation and contemplation. The entrance of the Mitchit house is designed to leave a lasting impression, setting the tone for the entire living experience. As visitors approach the house, they are greeted by an impressive atrium, adorned with lush green trees. A pathway leads through the atrium, guiding visitors towards the main entrance of the house. Along the way, they are enveloped by the sights and sounds of nature, creating a sensory experience that heightens anticipation and excitement. The 4 miniature courtyards within the house, ranging in size from 3 by 3 meters to 3 by 5 meters, serve to preserve greenery while ensuring safety. They likely provide natural light and ventilation, enhancing the connection to nature from within the house. Open spaces, wide halls, and numerous windows are strategically incorporated to maximize natural light and offer views of the green surroundings from various vantage points within the house, fostering a sense of freedom and connection to nature. The ground floor features a large common area comprising the living and dining rooms, designed as an open plan to promote continuity and flow from the front to the back of the house. The vertical space is also open, connecting the ground floor living room seamlessly with the second floor den, enhancing the sense of space and connectivity within the home. Inside the house, simplicity reigns supreme. Wide open spaces are adorned with select materials, fostering a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. The interior decor is carefully curated to complement the surrounding greenery, with earthy tones and natural textures enhancing the connection to nature. The house is a testament to modern nature-inspired architecture, blending seamlessly with its environment while offering comfort, functionality, and a profound connection to nature through its innovative courtyard design.